Hi there, so this is a short video to show you how to download a chapter from one of the ebooks, so you've got it available offline, although you can obviously access it at all times online. But if you want to print it off or have it separately on another reader, then you can save it and then read it at any time you like, regardless if you're online. So you're sure we're familiar with the Health and Social Care subject guide, and obviously we've got the list of books here which are you can just access straight away. If there's other books that you want, obviously you'll need to search within Library Plus. So let's go to this level 3 book here as an example. So this is going to take me straight to the book. Sometimes you may have to sign in if you haven't signed in on the particular device. So obviously I've got the options here to read online or download the book. I'm going to go to one of the chapters, so let's pick Responsibility to the Care Worker as an example. So we go to that, it's going to take me to the page it's at the book, so we know it's on page 51. But if we want to download the whole chapter, we need to know what the last page is. So this is a case of just scrolling through. I'm just going to do this very quickly because I know it's around 70. Okay, so 78. So we know it's from 51 to 78. So now if we click on the print, so go to pages and type in here the pages. So it's 51 to 78. We can then preview that. So we can see that's the chapter that we want. So you can see I'm scrolling down, and that's exactly what we want. Now if we click on the print button, that won't print it. What it will do will give you the option of saving it. So this has come up again. If I want to print it, I can, but if I want to save as a PDF, I can do that. So I'm now going to click Save, and then I can then save that wherever I want within my computer. So I've saved that onto my desktop. So now I've got that as a saved copy, which I can then either print it off or I can read it online.